Home is our calm harbor to stay. We will always need the care and company while growing up there. And the test of growing up is nothing but stumble and get back up again. Growing up can be easy when you are accompanied facing life challenges. You only grow up once in your lifetime. Why not always keep freedom with you? It's always to be as you wish, rather than to be or not to be. While freedom means no limitations. It's always about future and distance. But of course, there's hardly any distance in the future. Choose and create your own life. Do it as you like, once and for all. To live a clever, simple, and free life. Cleaning made clever. Aiper.